be tricky, but don't you fear. We'll learn together, socks front to rears. Where's the heel? Is it in the front? Kids, no, no.
Where's the toe? Is it where we want?
Yes, yes, yes. Feel the heel, it goes right here. Oh, now it's clear. Left sock, right sock, let's give it a try. Oops, it's backwards, shall we laugh or cry? Socks on backwards, what a sight. Silly socks can still feel right. Step by step, we'll try again. Mommy shows us where and when.